after 5 attempts. We are about to, I hope, successfully drill through metal into stone and secure it with masonry screws without snapping off the heads. Okay, so here we go. First, we're gonna left-handed, straight through. Link to the drill bit in the video description. Pretty cool. Hooked to an impact driver. Not a normal thing to be able to do. Oh, out of batteries. In between, we're gonna vacuum out the dust because that was causing problems. Fresh battery pack. Here we go. That drill bit really is a champ.
Up with the screws.
Vacuum out one more time. Okay, now here's the step that I hope is gonna make the difference. I almost got that last one driven in, and I snapped the head at the last minute. Just too much torque. So I'm gonna take my wife kindly loaned me one of these. I'm gonna take it in there. I'm gonna try to push it in here to clean out all of that dust, because I'm pretty sure that's what's binding up at the end of the job here. So if I can get that cleaned out, then we should be able. Oh, the drama, I can't wait to see if we're gonna be able to drive that in or not. Because I'm 5 masonry screws at 47 cents a piece at the local hardware store, and it's probably a cheaper way to buy them online, but. Okay. Wait a minute, how deep is that? Is that the depth of my screw? All right, let's check the pocket. Oh, wrong screw. There we go. Okay, these are masonry screws if you didn't know. Okay, we've got just barely the depth, but I've been over drilling, so the other strategy, over drilling the holes so it doesn't bind up at the end and snap the heads off. All right, so let's drill a little bit more. Okay, we've drilled it, now we're gonna vacuum it out. Uh-oh, something slipped in there. Get out of there. All right. Okay, now we're gonna wire brush it one more time. Uh-oh. It got jammed in there, son. Oh! Now I have to drill it out one more time. Okay, so we're well over depth on the drill bit. I don't know if you can see the black mark, but we're a good inch deeper than we need for the screw. So hopefully that's gonna solve our issues with binding at the end. Okay, now the moment of truth. Can we put this masonry screw into this stone without it snapping off? Here we go. Titus, you wanna do it? I'll hold it, you can pull the trigger. Down it goes. Keep going. Uh-oh. Let us turn the tension down. We're gonna snap another one.
No, we can't. We have to.
Number 6. Okay. Give it a screw. I'm gonna hold it straight up and down. Oh, we need a little more tension, but do you think it's gonna snap off? All right, so we've made it almost. There we are. Just a little bit more left to go, but it may snap off.
Oh, with my
Should I turn up the tension?
Just one.
Let's back it out. We'll back it out. Back it out. We'll back it out, clean it out again, and make sure we got it. I want to get one in, or else I'm gonna have to give up.
Why?
All right, there you go. Hold on. Is it okay? It didn't even make it as far. All right, let's just turn up the tension. We'll get it, or we'll. Okay, we're going up to max setting.
No, don't.
Should I get the impact driver? That thing didn't even wait to snap it off. Just
Go slow.
wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. Masonry screw into solid stone. Yes. Yes. 1 for 6 is not bad. Okay, so those are the keys, I guess. Make sure that you have the hole well cleaned out. Over drill it by several inches. Get this drill bit so you can actually drill into the stone using the impact driver. And yeah, buy about twice as many masonry screws as you need until you figure it out. Well, we should be good to go now. Now that we know how to do it, we just repeat it a couple times and I'll have this 4x4 into my natural stone in no time at all.